Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're peeling back the curtain on something that's everywhere but often invisible. Artificial intelligence in our daily lives.
That's right. We've got some really interesting info lined up about how AI is, quietly making things smarter and more connected for us.
Yeah, and our goal here is really to highlight those maybe surprising ways AI is influencing how we live, work, and play, often without us even realizing it.
Exactly. Forget the sci-fi robots for a minute.
Okay.
This is about the smart code, the algorithms running in the background of tech we use constantly. It's kind of amazing how widespread it is.
Okay, so let's start right at home. It really is amazing how AI is changing our living spaces.
Yeah.
You know, those smart speakers, the intelligent assistants, you ask something, they find an answer, manage your schedule, dim the lights.
Yeah.
It feels so simple.
It does.
Right?
And it goes beyond just voice commands. Or think about energy management in your home.
Right, the thermostats and things.
Yeah, AI-powered ones learn your heating and cooling habits, the house's patterns,
Yeah.
and they optimize it. The data suggests this can cut energy use significantly, maybe up to 15% sometimes. That's substantial.
That really is. And then there's security. AI is adding a whole new layer there.
Oh, also.
Well, smart cameras, for instance. They can actually do facial recognition now, spot unusual movement, and ping you immediately.
Right, so it's not just recording, it's interpreting what it sees, giving you that heads up without you needing to watch constantly.
Exactly. It feels like this sort of subtle enhancement to our comfort, our security at home.
It really does.
Hmm.
Makes you wonder how we managed before, doesn't it?
Huh. Yeah, sometimes. Okay, let's shift gears to getting around transportation. AI is massively reshaping this,
Oh, absolutely. Your navigation app is a prime example.
like Google Maps or Waze.
Exactly. They're constantly crunching real-time data traffic, accidents, construction from, like, millions of sources.
To find the fastest route, yeah. Cuts down the commute time. That's a lifesaver some days.
It really is. And the scale of that data processing is just immense. Then you look ahead to autonomous vehicles.
Self-driving cars.
Yeah. They rely entirely on AI using sensors, LiDAR, cameras, processing everything in real time to navigate and hopefully make roads safer.
That's still a way off for most of us, but even simpler things like ride-sharing apps.
Uh-huh. Uber, Lyft.
They use AI too, right?
Definitely. Their algorithms, basically smart instruction sets, predict where rides will be needed, position drivers, adjust routes.
To minimize wait times and keep things efficient.
Precisely. It improves reliability. And, optimizing all these routes potentially has environmental benefits too. Less wasted fuel, smoother traffic flow.
That's a great point. Okay, what about personalization? AI seems to be tailoring everything these days.
It really is. Streaming services are a huge one. Netflix, Spotify.
Their recommendations.
Exactly. The AI analyzes what you watch, what you listen to, what you skip.
And then it suggests other things you might like. It's like having a personal entertainment guide.
That's a perfect way to put it. And shopping online. Same deal.
Product suggestions.
Based on what you've browsed, what you've bought. It kind of creates this intuitive feeling, sometimes showing you things you didn't even know you were looking for.
It's uncanny sometimes. And it's even in health and wellness now.
For sure. Wearable devices, fitness trackers, health apps.
Your smartwatch, yeah?
They use AI to monitor your steps, heart rate, sleep patterns, and then offer personalized tips or nudges.
So it's helping manage fitness goals, maybe even spot potential health issues proactively.
That's the direction it's heading. The key thing is moving past generic advice to really tailored insights based on your specific data. It anticipates your needs in subtle ways.
So thinking about the future then, what's next for this everyday AI?
Well, I think we can expect even smarter devices, more integration between them. Your home, your car, your phone, all talking to each other more seamlessly.
So AI becomes less of a background thing and more like a central coordinator.
Kind of, yeah, almost an invisible orchestrator for your daily life, aiming to make things simpler, more efficient, more personalized, in real time based on what you're actually doing.
Okay, so let's recap. AI isn't just some future concept. It's here now. It's this hidden engine powering smart homes, smoothing out commutes, curating our entertainment.
Absolutely. It's delivering real convenience, security, and efficiency already.
And paving the way for even more innovation down the line.
No doubt about it. The integration will only get deeper.
So here's a final thought for everyone listening. Which part of your daily routine do you think AI will transform the most in the coming years? What new possibilities could that unlock for you? Something to ponder. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.